Well, now that President Trump has signed legislation that combines tax cuts with landmark investments, WMDT's Tiara Williams spoke with lawmakers about what the decision means for residents here on the shore.
Look, it's not compassion to have people being dependent. We're trying to get people up working. If you're able-bodied, it's not government responsibility or taxpayer responsibility to provide for what able-bodied people should be able to provide for themselves.
Waste, fraud, and abuse. 3 issues addressed in Trump's big, beautiful bill. A win for workers, farmers, and America's future. Maryland Freedom Caucus chair and Medicaid advisor, Delegate Matt Morgan, says the plan has been expanded to even include undocumented immigrants over the past few years, and it's time to roll it back.
They don't want to repeal and replace the ACA, the Affordable Care Act. They want to really improve upon it. And this all falls under their initiative to make America healthy again. And we want to crack down on chronic diseases like obesity and autoimmune disorders and really make prescription drug affordability a priority.
Dangerous, devastating, and deadly. 3 consequences of Trump's bill, according to Delaware House Representative Sarah McBride.
At its core, this big, ugly bill that recently passed Congress and was signed into law by the president is Trump Care. It is a fundamental remake of the American healthcare system.
Citizens would re-enroll every 6 months to avoid abuse of the system. But Representative McBride says this will just lead to more Americans being uninsured.
Being able to access healthcare is not a Democratic or Republican value. This is a nonpartisan issue. Because in Delaware and across the country, Democrats, independents, and Republicans, they need cancer treatment. Democrats, independents, and Republicans, they need access to dental care. They need to be able to go see their primary care provider. They need home support.
President Trump signed the bill on July 4th as part of his promise to put America first.
So Trump Care puts at risk health coverage for 54,000 Delawareans.
Medicaid was never a system set up to be generational dependent. It was always made for something temporary.
Because Local Matters, Tiara Williams, WMDT.
Other aspects of the president's bill are permanently increasing the child tax credit for more than 40 million families and protection for 2 million family farms from punitive double taxation and no tax on overtime.